This is one of DeWalt's latest Combi drill impact driver 18 volt XR kits. Let's have a look. So this kit really hits a sweet spot between the type of tools that you can use at home, general use DIY work, as well as at the site, professional. It's gonna stand up pretty well. Of course, 18 volt XR, brushless motors, nice, no maintenance, high quality, comfortable, ergonomic. Combi drills based off DeWalt's most popular drill, and they've given it a nice upgrade. 2 5 amp hour lithium ion batteries, 18 volt, really nice. Your multi-voltage charger, just cover anything in the XR line and keep all your equipment going. Check this out. DeWalt's, what it's known for, rugged, gorgeous bit of kit, with a sneaky compartment. How about that?